Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Factorize the following expression and divide them as directed. Exercise 14.3, the fifth problem. Y square plus 7y plus 10. Now this expression, this type of expression we had done in the exercise 14.2, the fifth problems. We have to split the middle term. For this, the first method is that you take the coefficient of first and the last number, that is 1 into 10, and find the prime factors of this 10 and get a number which will be, if you multiply those two numbers, you will get 10 plus 10, and if you add those numbers, you will get 7. 7 means plus 7. So we will take the prime factors of these. 2 5 are 10, 5 1 are 5. So these numbers you should multiply 2 and 5. Sometimes it can be a combination. You can refer the previous videos, exercise 14.2 fifth one. So 2 5 are 10, and this is 2 plus 5 is 7. So it will be 2y plus 5y. So we are going to split this 7y into 2y plus 5y, and this is plus 10. So we will take two terms like this and we will find a common that is there. What is common between these two? We will write it down as it is, and we will write down y plus 5 as it is along with it. So this will be y into y plus 2, that is y, you take it out here, 1y is here and y is taken out and 2 is remaining here, plus here it is 5 1s are 5 and this is 5 into 2. Here we can see both the places 5 is common, therefore y, 5 you take it here, y is remaining here, plus 5 you take it out, then 2 is remaining here, divided by y plus 5. So we'll write down, these are y plus 2, it is in two places. We will write down this y plus 2 into the bracket y plus 5 divided by y plus 5. We will write down in the form of numerator and denominator y plus 2 into the bracket y plus 5, and divided is there, therefore it will be y plus 5. As y plus 5 is there in the numerator and denominator, therefore this y plus 5 and this y plus 5 will cancel, and therefore the answer is y plus problem. And go to the next problem. M square minus 14m minus 32. So here it is 32, 1 the 32, we have to take 32 and find the factors. 2 16 the 32, 2 8 the 16, 2 4 the 8, 2 2 the 4 and 2 1 the 2. So these are the factors. We have to try the combination and multiply two numbers to get 32. At the same time it is minus, and at the same time you multiply, add two numbers, you get minus 14. Let us try. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 and 8 4 the 32. 8 plus 4 is 8 for the 32, correct, but 8 for the 32, but 8 plus 4 is 12, therefore it is not possible. So you take 8 to the 16, so you will take it 16 to the 32, but we want minus. We will try this first, 16 and 2, so we want minus, so big number has to be minus and smaller number has to be plus. Minus plus, we will try. Plus into minus is minus. 16 to the 32, minus 16 plus 2, minus 16 plus 2 is minus 14, so this will be m and this will be m. So we will take the possible combination, that is we will write down as it is in a similar manner. M square minus plus 2m minus 16m. We have split this into this minus 32, and here there is division, m plus 2. So find a common between these two. Find a common between these two. What is common? M into m plus 2, then minus, and here it is 16 on the 16, 16 to the 32. This is 16 to the 32. What is common? 16 is common. Put m. Here there is minus, but here minus into plus. Minus into plus is minus. So 16 to the 32. You can get an idea from here. Previously m plus 2 we got. You will not get m minus 2. So more or less it will be the same. You will get the same thing. If you do not get, then you should check it once again. So this is like this. So we will put these things together. M plus 2 times we have got m plus 2, and this is one bracket, m minus 16, and we'll put this in the denominator, m plus 2. So we can clearly see in the numerator there is 1 m plus 2, and in the denominator there is 1 m plus 2. So this will get cancelled, and the answer that we get is m minus 16. So this is the way we solve it. Move on to the next problem. Again same way, but here we have to find a common between the 25 the 100, but still we will first start with taking a common. So what is common? 5 on the 5, 5 5 the 25, 5 4 the 20. So 5 is common. So 5 into p square minus 5 5 the 25p plus 4 divided by p minus 1. So it is, the combination is 4, that is 4 1 the 4. The number we get 4. Prime factors of 4, 2 the 4, 2 1 the 2. So it is 2 to the 4. But we should get 5 here. Okay. So we should get 2 to the 4 and 4 1 the 4. It is possible. Correct? So we should get 2 numbers multiplied, and we should get 4. 2 numbers you should add, and you should get 5. So how it is possible? 4 1 the 4, and 4 plus 1 is 5. Now how it is possible? You have to get minus 5. So it is minus 4 minus 1. Minus 4 minus into minus is this is minus into minus. Minus into minus is plus, and minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5. So this is the combination. So we are going to split this minus 5p into minus 4 minus 1. That is minus 4p and minus p. So this is 5 into p square minus 4p minus p. We don't write 1p, plus 4 divided by p minus 1 divided by p minus 1. So what is common between these two, and what is common between these two? So 5 into the bracket p into p. This p you take 1 outside, it will be 1 in the bracket, minus, here it is p common, therefore 4 p minus 4, and here what is common? Minus and 1. So it is p, and here it is minus. Minus into minus. Minus into minus is plus. Therefore it is p minus 4. As we have told, both the binomials that you get will be same. If you do not get, you have to check it. So it is, this whole thing will be in one bracket. So it will be 5 into p, okay, p minus 4, this 5 is outside, and p minus 1, and this is in the denominator. One more step also we can see p minus 1 on the numerator, p minus 1 on the denominator, so this will get cancelled. So the answer is 5 into p minus 4. So this is the answer. 4yz into z square plus 6z minus 16, and this is divided by 2y into z plus 8. So what number we should get? We should get 16 on the 16, correct? We have to get 16, multiply two numbers multiply, you get 16. Now find out the factors, prime factors. 16, 2, 8 is 16, 8, 2, 4 is 8, 2, 2 is 4, and 2, 1 is 2. So it is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So how you get 8 to the 16? It can be 8 and 2. You have to check out the sign, and again here there is plus 6 you have to get. You have to get plus 6 and minus 16. So which number you are going to take? 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. But if you take this minus, no, bigger number has to be plus and minus 2. So this will be 8 into 2, 16, but plus into minus is minus. So 8 minus 2 is 6. 8 minus 2 is 6. So it has to be plus 8 minus 2. This 6 has to be split into plus 8 minus 6. We'll write down 4yz into the bracket z square plus 8z minus 2z minus 16 divided by z plus 8. Here we may get confused. So it will be 4yz. Now this is common between these two is z into the bracket z plus 8. Then here there is common, 2 1 the 2, 2 8 the 16. This is 2 into 8. Therefore minus 2 is common, and z is in the bracket, and here it is minus, here it is minus, minus into plus is minus. So 2 8 the 16. We can get an idea from this bracket. So it is z plus 8 divided by z plus 8. So we'll write down 4yz into the bracket z plus 8, it is 2 times, and this is z minus 2 divided by z plus 8. So we will take this into denominator, 4yz into z plus 8 into z minus 2 upon z plus 8. Z plus 8. We have not taken this 2y, this 2y. Here there is 2y, and therefore this will come into 2y. So this is 2 1 the 2. We will cancel. This is 2 1 the 2, 2 2 the 4, this y will cancel, and this z plus 8 will cancel. So what is the answer remaining? 2z into the bracket z minus 2. So 2z into z minus 2 is the answer. That's all for today's video. I hope you have liked and understood today's problems. Thank you for watching, and subscribe my channel for the latest videos, and share these videos with your friends and classmates.